Hi everybody, Samuel here from Samuel's Art Tech, and I'm going to be showing you how to use Google properly on Android. So what I mean by that is, you want to search up something like how to make a cake or how to do something on technology. So what you need to do is go to the Google app. Make sure it's up to date, as I did in my previous videos. So you're in the Google app. Go to More, Settings, then General. Now in here, tap on all the apps section that you need. Like now it's programmed to open apps pages in. Yep. So what I made this is, for example, now when you click on a link, it doesn't open inside the Google app, it opens in the web browser, which is good. Now you can go back to Discover, and then I can look up, for example, Pingu costume, and get information. And then if I find something, it opens in the web browser. That's how you do it. That's how you make Google. That's how you search Google properly on Android. And when you're in a website, when you go back to Google, just hit return, the Google return button, the Android return button. Anyway, I'm Sam.